Why do millions of people default on student loans? Imagine working hard to pay off your student loans, only to find yourself unable to keep up with the payments. That's what happens when someone defaults on a student loan. Defaulting means missing payments for a certain period, usually 270 days for federal loans. When that happens, the entire loan balance becomes due immediately. The borrower might face serious consequences like wage garnishment, where money is taken directly from their paycheck, or tax refund offsets, which means their tax refunds are used to pay the debt. Their credit score can also take a hit, making it harder to get loans or credit cards later on. So why do so many people end up defaulting? One big reason is financial hardship. Many borrowers find it tough to make their monthly payments, especially if they lose their job, have a low income, or face unexpected expenses like medical bills. People who only completed some college but didn't finish a degree are more likely to default because they might not earn enough to cover their student loan payments. Those with lower incomes or less education are at higher risk because they often have fewer resources to fall back on. Another reason is confusion about repayment options. Some borrowers don't know about plans that can make payments easier, like income-driven repayment plans, which adjust payments based on what someone earns. Others might not understand that they can ask for deferment or forbearance to temporarily pause or reduce payments. If they miss payments without knowing these options, they can quickly fall behind and eventually default. Recent changes in federal student loan policies have also played a role. During the pandemic, many borrowers paused payments, but now they are required to start paying again. For some, this sudden shift is a shock, especially if they weren't prepared financially. This has caused an increase in defaults, even among borrowers who previously had good payment histories. Some borrowers might also choose not to pay on purpose. While most defaults happen because of financial struggles, a small number of people decide not to pay because they're frustrated with the system, believe their loans will be forgiven, or disagree with the loan terms. Life events like medical emergencies, divorce, or moving to a new place can also disrupt someone's ability to make regular payments. These unexpected changes can make it harder to stay current on loans, increasing the risk of default. In short, millions of people default on student loans because of a mix of financial difficulties, lack of information about repayment options, recent policy shifts, and personal life challenges. Knowing these reasons can help borrowers take steps to avoid default, like talking to their loan servicer, exploring different repayment plans, and staying informed about their options.